CRISPR Industry Growth Outlook 2025 to 2035, published by NextGen Intelligence Stats. Executive Summary. The CRISPR market is expanding rapidly, driven by rising demand in gene therapy, agriculture, and drug development. Recent clinical approvals and breakthroughs in precision editing technologies have accelerated its adoption. Strong R&D funding and strategic partnerships are fueling innovation across key regions. North America leads the market, while Asia-Pacific is showing strong growth potential. Leading players include CRISPR Therapeutics, Intellia, and Mammoth Biosciences. However, high treatment costs and ethical concerns continue to challenge widespread implementation. Key market trends: therapeutic adoption. Accelerated development and approval of CRISPR-based therapies are transforming treatment for genetic disorders. Technology upgrades. Advancements like base and prime editing are improving accuracy and expanding CRISPR's clinical potential. Market revenue. Industry forecasts indicate that the global CRISPR market will register consistent expansion, with market value projected to escalate from $7.82 billion in 2024 to approximately $46.10 billion by 2035, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 15.1%. Market segmentation, CRISPR market share, by application. Based on application, the market can be segmented into drug discovery and development, agriculture, and others. The drug discovery and development is the most dominant segment in the CRISPR market, holding an estimated share of about 51.6% in 2024. Regional outlook. North America accounted for 32.60% share in the CRISPR market. This is owing to tremendous investments in biotechnology R&D, a strong presence of leading market players, supportive regulatory environments, and sophisticated healthcare infrastructure, especially in the US. Key players are Thermo Fisher Scientific, Agilent Technologies, GenScript Biotech Corporation, Intellia Therapeutics, CRISPR Therapeutics, Editas Medicine, Beam Therapeutics, Caribou Biosciences, Lonza Group, and more. Competitive landscape. The CRISPR market is a mix of large, established life science companies and upstart gene editing biotechnology companies. The dominant players such as Thermo Fisher Scientific, Incas, and Merck KGaA mainly provide CRISPR tools, reagents, and services to serve the research and development requirements of academia and industry customers. Firms like CRISPR Therapeutics AG, Editas Medicine, Intellia Therapeutics, Inkemos, and Beam Therapeutics Inc. are leading the charge to develop CRISPR-based gene therapies for many genetic diseases, with several clinical trials ongoing to treat diseases like sickle cell disease and transthyretin amyloidosis. Thank you for watching the video. If you're interested in the sample report, feel free to reply directly by emailing Sam at nextgenintelligencestats.com. He'll get back to you with the details.